right, Lucien. He's about 10 years old, or is he 8 years old? He's a senior. And this is Rain. She's about 4 years old. Let's not do nose to nose. So I know he can be selective. He's better with the females. Come on. Maybe I'll walk ahead and have him sniff her. He seems to be wanting to do that. Oh, okay, good boy. Good boy. You let her go first. Ladies first? Yes, ladies first. Turn around. There you go. Don't sit down. Oh, he smelled something he liked. Uh-oh. He's seriously funny. Oh, good boy, Lucien. He's very dominant, very stiff. No, he just wants to hump her. Is he not neutered? Yeah, he is neutered, but recently. Hard to tell. Good boy. She's good. I just don't know about him. What do you want? You like the ladies? Are you giving her a kiss now? That is very sweet. Let's not do that. Well, like I thought, he's okay with the ladies. I just gotta find a male to test him with. You know. He's kind of selective in the runs with the males. You know, he gets into their faces, fence fighting. Easy, Lucien. Rain is a good girl. Rain just wants to play, don't you, Rain? Rain has somewhat a little bit of a limp on her left front leg. Not sure what that is about.